Hill State People's Democratic Party (Hspdp) on Tuesday announced its decision to field Sanjit Kynsai Shangrit as its official candidate from Nongstoin Constituency for the upcoming 2023 elections. Speaking to reporters, Hspdp President KP Panyang said that so far names of over 10 candidates have been declared. He said that the party will be able to declare the complete list of candidates by the month of October or November. The Hspdp chief and former MLA will also contest the upcoming 2023 polls from Ramrai Jangnam. Panyang further informed that the party will release the election manifesto by the first week of October.
I've discussed a lot that some of the important issues we are yet to put in place, and so hopefully by the first week of October to this year, we are going to release the full text of the manifesto of the party.
The